There are two important objectives in this chapter. One is the appreciation of the trade-offs and challenges involved in production operations. And the second objective is the understanding of the primary production strategies and the types of planning required. Let's take a few minutes and look at those types of decisions and the trade-offs to be considered. This trade-off is with the strategic implication of process strategy. In other words, what sort of business do we want to be in? The trade-offs comes in the form of volume versus variety. We see four categories of processes that can be defined based on the locations as we see in this slide. Process-focused, repetitive, product-focused, or mass customization. An example of high variety and low volume is a hospital environment where each job is different. Harley-Davidson and other automobile manufacturers fall in the category of repetitive. And finally, food producers such as Frito-Lay are product-focused flow shop. The mass customization slot is a somewhat recent phenomenon, and you can get more details by reviewing the YouTube link shown here. Another important decision requiring trade-off is with customer service level and total supply chain cost. This is called the inventory efficiency frontier, and as seen in this diagram, the higher customer service level a company is to attain, the higher the supply chain cost is expected to be. However, it is possible to increase customer service level and maintain the current supply chain cost structure through continuous process improvement. The last trade-off we will see is the supply chain efficiency frontier, which reflects the trade-off between supply chain efficiency and the responsiveness of the supply chain. In the subsequent chapters, we will see the metrics associated with supply chain responsiveness and efficiency and the impact it will have on customer service level. In conclusion, it is important to see the critical and codependent linkages between production operations and logistics to make the supply chain more dynamic and more responsive to customer demands.